Behind me, 1963 Chevy C10 short bed, powered by the 283 V8 Elderbrock carburetor, aluminum radiator, and a fresh tune-up. This thing's ready to go. This beautiful weathered wood bed, new tires all the way around, and this patina adds character. With new carpet, reupholstered bench seats, the rustic theme carries throughout, and this is the last year of the big window. Now let's hear it. Test drive time. So obviously this one's got the 283, it's got the 2-speed power glide transmission. Turn signals work. Nothing special, crazy fancy about this one other than it's just actually got this awesome patina to it. So with this patina, obviously you can just do whatever you want to. It's got good bones. If you want to go LS, you know, if you want to go with something crazy, this gives you that option to be able to do that. And it's definitely, a lot of times, you know, you put an LS in it, 4-speed, 6-speed, 10-speed, twin turbo, however you want to do it. Throw some AC in it and it's a cruiser. But overall, this one's just got really good bones to it. It's got drum brakes all the way around, no power steering, so it's just basically your base C10. But again, the bones are really, really good on it. So this is one of those ones you can take and make into your own project. Now remember, we have over 300 photos, we have online financing, nationwide transport, all ClassicCarAddict.com. And with these videos, we make sure that we go through and show you everything that the vehicle is. So just right after this, we're going to go through the exterior, and after the exterior, we're also going to show you the undercarriage. Hey, this is a good one. If you're looking for an old 63 short bed fleetside, this one is for you. Now getting through and going all the way around the exterior on this 63 short bed. Got the awesome patina to it. I'd say the panels are perfect, but they're not, and I'll show you a little bit of the details on that. Overall, you can see the hood is actually in good shape. Fenders are actually in decent shape too. Get down here, you can tell there's obviously some skim, maybe a little bit more than skim Bondo right there. There is a hole right there, and then you got a couple little holes right there, some pop metal poles on that. But bed, you know, it's actually in pretty good shape overall. And even the door, obviously there's some down there, but it's not too bad. There's some corners got it, but overall, I mean, the thing is actually decent. Again, it's not perfect. You know, you can put $10,000 into this and actually have maybe a $30,000, $40,000 truck. I like the look. I actually like this color. Looks really, really good. We got an awesome rat rod Jeep that would go perfect with this one. Now you do have 6 lugs, drum brakes. That's a 275 60/15. Tread also is in good shape with this one. DOT might be a little bit older on this one. I'll have to see exactly what that DOT shows for that one. Just not quite sure on. But we got 1BC V7 and then EH1. Again, I'm not sure of the DOT on that. These look to be in pretty good shape, but I know that most late model gate codes on the tires, so these might be a little bit older, but they don't look it. They look, tread is in really good shape with those. So I will check. We'll have it listed up on the website so you can see exactly what it is. You got here again, got matching all the way around. Rims are actually in good shape. A little bit there, nothing crazy. A little bit right there. Yeah. Really good shape. I don't really see any type of dry rot on that whatsoever. So that actually appears to be really good shape. Now, under the hood, small block 283, outer block ABS, aluminum radiator, no power steering, no power brakes. Yeah, runs out good though. Hood's a little funky. Stuck. Might be stuck. Yeah, it's definitely stuck in there. There we go. Just had to get it unclipped. Good old Chevy though. Getting into the interior. You know, this is, you know, it needs new of this, a little new of that, but it's, again, it shows out really well. Bench is in good shape. Steering wheel's in good shape. You know, the it's got the water temperature, which obviously is not hooked up, so that's not working, but hey, got everything on here. Gas gauge does appear to be working, or it's just there all the time. Not sure on that. We drove it a little bit, so put some fuel in it. It did move a little bit, but these are never fully accurate. And no horn. Show you lights. Doesn't look like we got wipers either. I'll show you the lights. And then here in the rear bed, that's on. That's on. Might be a little hard to see. So that one's working. And that one came unplugged. Hey, what's better than a little project? So it looks like that side is not working. But fitment on that is actually pretty good. I'm impressed with that. Bed's in good shape. You could stain that, seal it up so it doesn't deteriorate anymore, but all that metal is actually in pretty good shape. That's coming off a little bit there and a little bit there, but hey, do a short rear end, get some bigger tire in there with the powerful engine. This thing's ready to go. So that's missing there. I know, I'll show you the window on that side. Again, oh, looks like it is right here. Oh yeah, yep. So that's no good there. But yeah, so this window doesn't work. No wipers. One of the lights is out. You know, there's a few of the little things, but hey, that fitment's good. Like I said, this is just a really good project. And let's get you in, show you this window, and then we'll show you the undercarriage. Yeah, a little stiff going up, but not too bad. Yeah, pretty good there. Yeah, let's show you the undercarriage. All right, guys, we are getting under this 1963 Chevy C10. It's got a small block, 305 is what it's coming back to. And then under here, you also got your 3-speed automatic transmission. This does have new shocks. It is drum brakes all the way around. It is your 6-lug, and then you do have new wood on the bed. And you can see here it's actually pretty dry. There is a little bit of rot and deterioration that you do have in the cab corners, but this one is also priced aggressively. If you're looking for something to make a project out of, this one is definitely set up and ready to go for you. ClassicCarAddict.com.